Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit funds into your XM account using Binance and, if you're eligible, how you can qualify for XM's promotional $30 bonus, where available. Let's get started. First, open the XM app on your iPhone or Android. From the bottom menu, tap More. Next, tap Deposit. Now choose your preferred deposit method. You can use a credit card, Binance, or cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll choose Binance. Enter the amount you want to deposit. The minimum deposit is $50. Before continuing, carefully review the important information and terms shown on the screen. If everything looks correct, tap Deposit. Now confirm the payment. A Binance payment page will open automatically. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Open your Binance app and scan the QR code to complete the payment. Once the payment is confirmed, your deposit will be credited to your XM trading account. If your account and region are eligible for XM's current promotional offer, the bonus will be applied according to XM's promotion terms. And that's it.